The big gift this year in the real estate world seems to be the improving rate environment, and let's hope that that gift keeps giving all year long. Other gifts that are used in a real estate transaction all year are gifts of funds or gifts of equity. Gifts of funds is exactly what it sounds like. It's when one party gives monies or funds to another party for down payment assistance or closing cost assistance for a purchase transaction. A gift of equity is where when one family member sells a property to another family member at a reduced or discounted price, and the difference between the sales price and the appraised value or market value is the gift of equity. Both types of gifts will need documentation if there's a mortgage involved. First being a gift letter, and that's something that we would provide, we would draft. And that's where a gift letter would state the donor, the amount of the gift, typically where it's coming from, bank account, etc. And the big thing is that it would state that there is no expectation of repayment. Gift funds also typically need to be sourced. So if you are thinking of giving a gift for a real estate transaction, or you're going to be receiving a gift for a real estate transaction, please reach out before any money start changing hands. Now, gifts can also be from other parties. Typically, they're from family members, close relatives, or domestic partner, spouse, but there are other sources. For instance, we recently had an FHA loan where the buyer's employer was giving a gift for the down payment in lieu of a bonus. So with the $10,000 gift from the employer, $7,000 help from the seller, the buyer's total cash to close on the condominium purchase was under $6,000. We also had another recent transaction where the young lady, first-time buyer, was receiving the down payment and closing costs as a gift from her parents. So there was no money involved for the purchase of the home from her. It can be a fantastic opportunity. And there are also some very interesting other ways to use gifts. For instance, Freddie Mac, which is one of the government-sponsored entities which writes the rules for conventional loans along with Fannie Mae. Freddie Mac will allow wedding gifts and graduation gifts if they're documented properly. So instead of giving random gifts to somebody getting married, a fund could be set up for funds that are documented that can be used. So these are non-relative funds that then can be used for the purchase of a home. Same thing with a graduation. Instead of just regular graduation gifts, if they're documented properly, a first-time buyer can use graduation gifts for the purchase of their home. If you're thinking of buying a home, if you've got a relative, child, close friend buying a home, and there might be a gift involved, please reach out so that we can make sure that it's all done correctly and everyone benefits. Hope you have a great holidays. And of course, we at ACM are here to assist with any of your home buying needs.